Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can push the Maven artifact into the Nexus. Okay, so for that one, what I did is here. First, we will create one Maven project, and then we will generate that jar file that is artifact, and we can push that artifact into the Nexus. Okay, so here what I will do is to create this project Maven project I am using the Maven container. Okay, I already created that thing. Yeah, we can check it as container ls. Here we can see the image type of a Maven, so it is a Maven container. I am entering into that one, and from there we can create one artifact. We will create one project, Maven project, and that project, the artifact that is generated in that artifact project will be pushed into the Nexus. Okay, so docker container exec minus it, and the container ID is this one, bash. Okay, now I am in the Maven container. We can check the version of the Maven. Okay, sorry, MVN version. Yeah, it is 3.99. So now I will create one Maven project. Okay, for that one, in Google, simply we can type Maven in 5 minutes or something. Maven in 5 minutes. Okay, if we go to the first link here, see here creating a project. Simply copy this. This command will create a Maven project with the name myapp. Yeah. So if I see here, yeah, it is that myapp is got created. So in this myapp, I can see this one pom.xml. Okay. So here we have pom.xml and src. If we run the Maven goal MVN package, then the artifact will get generated in the target. Yeah, target folder. The artifact will get generated. Okay, you can see that one as well. Yeah, see my app 1 point snapshot dot jar. So now, yeah, I have this one sonar. Sorry, so Nexus as well. Here now, my goal here is that artifacts need to be pushed into this repository. Okay, Maven snapshots repository. So how we can do this thing? So to do this thing, first we need to set up in the pom.xml in the distribution management to push into this one this Nexus details. Okay, so how we can configure that thing means simply we have to add this one distribution management in Maven. Yeah, if we search for the distribution management, distribution management. Yeah, see here this block of code. Okay, so we can customize this thing according to our needs. Okay, I will copy this into the notepad. Okay, so here uh, this distribution management will goes at the end of the project, and here what we require is this one a snapshot. These things and all we don't require. I mean here in our case to push into the Nexus. Okay, simply remove this here and snapshots registry. Here we require only two things. One is ID and another is snapshots registries. Okay, so one is ID and another is URL. One is ID and another is URL. So here this ID should be anything, but we can keep this one as our ID. Okay, yeah, it can be anything. Because it can be anything. This ID is used in future to reference the credentials in the settings.xml. So yeah, I will, according to the standards, this one Maven snapshot. So whatever the name of the registry, sorry, repository, it will give as the ID here. Maven snapshots, right? So ID is Maven snapshots. And URL is here in this one Nexus this one, right? So yeah, here if I yeah here okay, sorry, here if I click here, I can see repositories, and this one Maven snapshots. If I click here, I can see this URL. Okay, in this URL part we have to provide this thing. Okay, so now this thing I will include in the pom.xml. Pom.xml, yeah. The pom.xml is present in the root directory of the project. So vi pom.xml, pom.xml. So it should goes to at the end of this file. Yeah, it is the root block in the project. Paste it. Okay. Now, if we run the goal mvn deploy, yeah, we need it will throws the error, authentication error. Yeah, see here, this one status code 401. It means yeah, it can able to reach to that repository, but it don't have the permissions to upload this artifact into that repository. Okay, so for this one, how we can configure this one credentials to this is using this settings.xml. Okay, we will create. Yeah, that one also we can get from the official document page of the Maven, settings.xml Maven. You simply if you type here, yeah, we can see in the reference here settings.xml. Yeah, so we don't require this much of things. Yeah, we can customize according to our needs this one as well. So here only we require two things: servers. Yeah, these things and are all not required. Just servers. Yeah, servers. Under these servers, yeah, with this one. Under this servers, we need to specify any n number of server. Okay, it is server close block server. Under this thing, we need to define ID, username, and password. So the first thing is ID. This ID should be matched with the ID that is defined in the pom.xml. So what it is, we defined it as Maven snapshots. And the second thing is username. Username here in my case the user is admin. I logged in as admin and I want to push my artifacts from the Maven server, yeah, Maven to this one Nexus repository with these credentials only, admin. So here username is admin and the password is 1234 admin. So username is admin, okay, /admin, and the password 1234. Yeah, if you want to know how we can set up these things Nexus locally and Maven in the Docker, yeah, I will make one detailed video regarding this one. Okay, so to don't miss these things, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, servers, and we miss this thing server. Yeah, we can make this one as well indentation properly. Servers. Okay. Then this one at the end servers. Yeah, server. Okay. This one is servers. Yeah. Okay. So and this thing actually, it should be present in .m2 folder of that Maven, but we can keep this thing anywhere and we can reference to that Maven goal using the -s. Okay, what I will do is I will keep this thing here only in the main folder of that project, settings.xml, and I will copy and paste this content to here, username and password. Okay, so now I will run the above goal Maven deploy goal by referencing the settings.xml using the verbose -s settings.xml. Sorry, here it is saying okay. So here it seems something wrong in this settings.xml. Okay, sorry. Here I didn't close this one ID tag. So you start username and admin. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. Sorry. It is username, not admin. Yeah, it is saying something Maven. It is not able to connect to this one Maven snapshots. Okay. Let me check once again. Is there any problem with that setting.xml? Yeah, we can check server's ID. Okay. It seems like there is some issue with this one. Yeah, this one extra thing. Yeah, snapshots. So snapshot, it shouldn't be there. Okay. Now, let's check once again. Now, I guess it will, yes, build succeed. Okay. Now, if we go to this, our Nexus repository, browse, yeah, here, Maven snapshots, right? See, in this Maven snapshot, this one 1.0 snapshot, this thing, and in the jar, we can able to see this thing. Okay. So for our confirmation, what I will do is I will change this one artifact ID in pom.xml and I will redeploy this thing and we can verify that thing. Here it is 1.0 version, it is 1.0 snapshot, right? So I will make change to this thing to 1.2. Okay. Now mvn deploy settings.xml -s. Now, yes, the build got succeed, and we can verify that same thing in the here Nexus UI as well. Yeah, see here, 1.2, 1.1.2 snapshot is here. Okay, so like this, we can push our artifacts from the from our local machine or anything from the build, yeah, from the build or anywhere to the Nexus. Okay, so for more videos like this, please subscribe to this my channel and thank you for watching. Yeah, see you in the next video.